This is a trade that I recently just took this morning, right? With just simple analysis. This is deriv. I'll also be showing you another setup that I just took on currency pair. But right now, this is volatility indices. Why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video to let you know that Forex is not as hard as you think, right? If you look at this concept, right, this is just a simple trend line strategy and what I call order flow concepts that I use in entering this trade. Now, if you look at it, this market has been bearish, right? It has been bearish. Did you see that? Now, for those who don't understand the meaning of bearish means when you have a downtrend, right? This market has been downward from what? Top left to right, you can see. But right now, there's something around this daily time frame. I discovered that we have these candlesticks here, right? Now, with this now, what do I need to do? I was initially looking for sell, right? Because when you're in a downtrend, you should be looking for sell. But what I discovered a pattern, right? Now this pattern is of two ways. This pattern is of two ways. When you see a falling wedge pattern, right? This is the falling wedge, price coming down this way, right? And you have price going inside this all right, and eventually breaks below, right? Then you can say is a continuation falling wedge, right? Now we also have another scenario where the same market can break to the upside, because you cannot literally control what the market will do, right? Now the market is now ascending here. Sometimes to break outside and what? Continue. So here what I discovered that the market is currently was trending to the upside. Now this is where I joined the trend. Now the market was not here, right? This was where I joined the trend for a buy, because I'm anticipating that the price is going to shoot up to this level, whether to get here and come back down, or to get here and break above this what resistance, right? And if you look here, that is just exactly the thing I did. Now you don't need to complicate issue, just learn to follow the trend. You can see, learn to follow the trend. The market has been giving me what? A higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now I joined this trend. I even came late. You can see I entered from here. I saw it to go back. I was initially looking for sell here, but I said, okay, this market's coming here, because that is the rules of what this particular strategy. So price is eventually coming here. So right now we broke above this resistance. So what would you notice? You will notice the price will come back and retest it, then go back up. It might not get here and come down, or continue its momentum upside if the bullish momentum is strong enough. That's a simple thing you want to do in forex trading. That was a very simple analysis on deriv, right? Now to let you know that the market is not complicated at all. So many people want to make money in forex trading. They put money goal first instead of putting the learning aspect first, right? It's a forex trading is not a scam. The reason why you call it a scam is because you're not making money. You see, I want you to understand that this market is highly complicated, right? A lot of inducements are in the market. Now let me burst your bubble. The market is not really designed to make you money, just like casino. So many people are in the casino game, but how many of them are making money? So if you want to make money in forex trading, be ready to learn, be ready to understand the principle. Treat it as a business. You see, there's nobody in business that will ever succeed without going through the processes, without obeying the rules, the principle of businesses, right? You can't run business with emotion. You only run business with logic, right? You need to understand that this game is a long-term game. A market of $7 trillion is not a child's play. So you're coming here to learn how to trade. You need to first of all understand the rudiment. You might not have the funds to seek mentorship, but that is what I will recommend. I will recommend you go into mentorship. Look for somebody who is accessible to you, who you can reach either online, who is available for you at all times to teach you this skill. Why? Because you may not know where you might be burning money, blowing account upon account, trying to figure things out yourself. Now you'll be wasting not only money, you also be wasting time. Do you have the luxury of time to waste 4 years, 5 years, still not profitable in the financial market? I can literally turn $1 to $100 by just understanding the principle, because of I've already learned the ropes. and I've gone through the principles, right? So when it comes to the market, you want to apply these principles. There are things that are backing the financial market up. It's not there to make money. No wonder you have inducement, you have liquidity grab in the market. Why? Because they want you to put your money to go in. Then the smart money people, the big boys, the institution leaders, will clear your stop loss and use it as liquidity. So as a forex trader, you want to bury your head to learn. Guy, I've blown a lot of money in this account. I remember when I was working 9 to 5, I would get my salary from my account. That same minute I would blow it. But today, glory be to God, I was able to retire my 9 to 5 courtesy of forex trading. Why? Because forex sat me down and told me the principle. You see, forex will bring out who you are. If you are a greedy person, forex will fish you out. If you are a risk tolerant somebody, forex will fish you out. So sit down and ask yourself, why am I in this game? This game is not a get rich quick thing. You need to learn before you earn, right? Now I'll be showing you another strategy that I took on JPY by just understanding the chart. Most of the setup is even taken today didn't come that easy, didn't come that handy, but due to practicing over time makes it look so easy, right? So you want to put in the work and understand this game has a lot of rules. You can't be profitable if you are jumping protocols, if you are jumping the learning process, right? Before you can make money in the forex market, there are things you need to observe. Now let me show you the screen. So stop doing trial and error. The market is here to pay you only if you are ready to get the money from the market. It's not easy, but it's very simple, right? Now let's go. Now this is JPY, right? You can see this market, right? I literally could see that we are bouncing on these words strong support, right? Now I didn't just take this trade on a 15-minute time frame. I had to look at both 1 hour and 4 hour to determine that this setup is a very strong zone. This particular zone is a very strong zone. Now if you come to my 4 hour, what would you see? Did you see that on the 4 hour? You can see that it's a strong zone. We have this line being respected. This is the third time, right? This is the third time, and if I could stretch it to the left, you can see that over time the market has been respecting this zone as well. So that was the reason why I was able to go down to my 15-minute time frame to go and look for my entry, right? Now if you come to 15-minute time frame, you will see how I was able to get in, right? You can see upon this touch I went in. This is a sniper entry, right? This is a very good sniper entry. You can see price got here, went up, now came back, then we are back here. If you look here now, this is a very good strategy, which is a double what? Bottom, right? And price breaking the neckline, you'll be going in for another what? Buy. You see, very smooth. Looks very simple. See, the market repeats itself almost every time. You don't have to be all over the chart. You don't have to babysit the chart. Once you come to your chart and you're not seeing what you understand, if the market is not communicating the language that you understand, let it be. Close your laptop, come back the next day, give it time, let the market merry-go-round, give it time, then you come back and see what you're looking for, then you snipe at it. This is how you make money every day. You see, quality is more important than quantity. It is not the number of trades that you take per day that makes you become profitable. It is the quality of trades that you take per day. You can literally come today, not see a setup. That is okay. Don't trade because you want to trade. Trade because you've seen a setup that you like to trade, right? This is how you become profitable over time. I don't intend to let this video be so long. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, do it to subscribe because I drop valuable gems like this so that my goal is to help you become profitable and to make you, my goal here is to help you become forex. My goal here is to help you become a successful forex trader and help you cut the learning curve, right? So that you can start making money from this market. The sky is big enough and it can accommodate everybody. So we are not in competition together. Let's complement each other, right? So make sure you share this video to your friends and family. Let them come on board and enjoy what you are also enjoying. And if you want me to mentor you, my hands are wide open. I'll be willing to show you how I'm able to use both technical analysis and smart money concept to make money from the forex market. So I haven't said that. I'll be seeing you in my next video. God bless you.